headed to Carol Shelby Enterprises, and as y'all saw the little preview there, you see a little teaser of both trucks. And today is probably going to be one of the most monumental days of a unveilment for Sema in the automotive tire and wheel industry, probably ever. And a lot of people kind of jump on the shirt tail and ride something, you know, that's new and fresh and exciting. But as you guys hear the story and understand the deep roots that we've got with Mickey Thompson, Mickey Thompson is not just a little small company anymore. It's a multi-billion-dollar operation that is conglomerated with Goodyear and Shelby, which we didn't even know. Why are we going to the Carol Shelby building? Well, it's because they're all owned together. And we have been working tirelessly at this for 20 years. And there hasn't been a time that we stopped. Thankfully, you guys as subscribers have put your words in through the comments for years. We're so deeply rooted with Google. If you go into Google and hit Mickey Thompson, pretty much anywhere with Baja or Baja belted, you're going to come up with something. And there's a lot more to that story, which we'll tell you a little bit more about today. But the biggest part of it is you guys having a voice allowed a multi-billion-dollar corporation to listen, and us continuing to pick at it and show them. And this is not going to be a main line. This is not like a 35, 12, 50, 20 that they sell thousands of daily probably. This is a tailor-built product that costs millions of dollars to produce and go through the process. And they've done it for you guys, the consumers. And the team there, the wheel team, the tire team, and I'll show you guys them today in person. They're here. They're tirelessly building this program and working through this strategy to make this happen. The behind the scenes on this whole deal has been incredible. But for something to come back as strong as it is, improved as strong as it is, and to answer all of the wants and needs that you guys have, it's incredible. And I've rode this way for a long time with this company. So lots of stories, lots of information today, and again, probably one of the biggest unveilments ever. So hope you guys tag along. It's going to be an interesting day. It's going to be a monumental day for us to be involved, and hope you enjoy the journey. Hey guys, we are at Carol Shelby Enterprises. We have arrived. Raymond did not tell us that our trucks were inside. We arrived early to get some filming done. What a beautiful complex. Look at the mountains in the background. Carol Shelby Enterprises, which you'll understand a lot more today because we'll get a lot more information. But Goodyear owns Carol Shelby. Goodyear owns Mickey Thompson. Goodyear, Mickey Thompson, all these other companies are intermingled and owned, like Philip Morris owning a whole lot of different stuff too. So the full video will drop today as soon as we can with this huge unveilment. Daniel's working on getting his drone up, but he didn't get through TSA because of some business cards. So this was my carry-on bag that they packed for me at the office. And this is our, we got a lot of gear. This is, open that upside down. But guess what made it through? That made it through. And Daniel's business cards didn't. So we got some stickers we got to put on the three-wheeler. We got some stickers we got to put on the trucks. We got some GoPro mounts we got to mount. Got a bunch of mess to get done today. Got the Ray-Ban glasses I'll be wearing. I should have been wearing them this morning. You guys would have tripped out with the man we ran across. He was on it.
That wouldn't be allowed on.
Yeah, we couldn't put that on YouTube actually. He was on one, I can tell you that. So, a few more minutes. Big unveil scenes. Literally live right now on TikTok as well as filming. This is Monday, setup day. All this gets set up today and tore down on Friday. I think they said 12,000 booths. This is a crazy behind the scenes, guys. It's gonna be a beautiful week, a lot going on. Y'all are seeing this before anybody. Unless you have a booth in here, even the YouTube people are not in here yet today. I'm not saying somebody didn't sneak in and do something, but the influencers will start popping out tomorrow. All of them figure out how to get in here, but there are some sick builds. Could burn through some battery in the phone here very quickly. Back, guys. Still alive. Mr. Lynch there, we have already got you on the books. Do not worry. They're going to be second quarter next year, but we have got you covered. And if you watch the latest TikTok about the post, you'll see Daniel driving the square body Blazer at highway speed with your same steering and track bar system at a finger. And no worries about a tire blowing out because it's 20 or 30 years old. But you are on the list, my man. Told you you'd be in the know, and you're in the know. Hey man, we take care of our customers, buddy. It's pandemonium around here. These guys setting up. They got a lot to do before the gate opens tomorrow morning. This behind the scenes is incredible. We can't even find the booth that we're looking for. People having meetings, figuring out what they're going to do. There's Edelbrock. This is just one section. Oh, we found Mickey Thompson, just where we were trying to find.
That just be crumpled up here.
Such cool stuff. We're gonna walk and walk and walk our freaking legs off. So much to see, so much to capture. Here's what we run on the race car right here. Do not just support them on truck tires. We support them on the racing tires because Daniel will go out and smoke my freaking tires. Then I have to buy new ones. Freaking crazy. You have no idea how it is to see this stuff behind the scenes. These teams are all setting up, getting things in order. Yeah, it's crunch time for these boys. I mean, look at the freaking mess around here. Every product. If you guys have something you want to see, please reach out. If you shoot us a message or shoot us a comment, the ones that are the most commonly commented, we will do our best. Yes, sir, we're in Vegas. This is Sema 2025. Yes, sir, big dog. We will do our best to capture whatever booth it is. You actually have to use like a Maps app to find it. Again, 12,000 vendors is what we were told. Unbelievable. Just imagine that, guys. A few thousand's a lot. We'll keep this live going, so if you guys are not on the TikTok live, I'm gonna have somebody walking around hopefully all day, every day, trying to get this done. Videoing. Promise you guys we will capture it. We're going to capture it this year. QA1 shocks, 4-link. These little breakaways are awesome for understanding how their stuff works. I've got a QA1 underneath one of my cars, one of the Novas. Maybe under both of them. I'm pretty sure that's the subframe underneath my dad's Camaro also.